Hey guys! Okay, we are going to continue with our problem solving skills using word problems and the conversion measurements that we've been practicing. So, got another day of word problems. I hope your brain is ready. Make sure you're reading carefully, and if you get stuck, make sure you have your conversion sheet like this available so you know how much is in each. So, let's take a look at these 4 word problems. I'm just gonna try this real quick so you can still see me. Okay, so I'm just gonna read the first one. Let's look to see what is important here. So it says, the pastry chef at Ariel's Sweets is making fudge brownies. Oh my gosh, that sounds delicious. The recipe calls for 36 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. The chef begins by using 4 cups of sweetened condensed milk. What amount of condensed milk is still needed to complete the recipe? So what do we know? We know that the recipe needs 36 ounces and the chef has used already 4 cups. All right, we want to know how much more they still need to use. Well, right now I'm dealing with ounces and cups. So I need to get them with the same type of measurement. I can't compare them and figure out how much you have left with it as ounces and as cups. So I need to look at my conversion chart and see if I can find what we're talking about with ounces and cups. So do you see one that is about ounces and cups? Remember, this conversion chart is organized by length. So all of these are about length. These ones are all about liquids. And these ones are all about how heavy something is, right? Weight and mass. So we're talking about milk and measuring milk to put in a brownie recipe. That's going to be liquid. So in the liquid one, do you see something about ounces in cups? I do. Look right here. 1 cup is 8 fluid ounces. So I'm going to write that down on my board here. So 1 cup equals 8 ounces. Well, I know the chef already used 4 cups. So how many ounces is 4 cups going to be? Well, if 1 cup is 8, then 4 cups would be whatever 4 times 8 is. What is 4 times 8? Think about it. Should be 32. So 4 cups should be the same as 32 ounces. Now, let's go back to the story. The recipe calls for 36 ounces. The chef has used 4 cups, which we now know is the same as 32 ounces. How much do they still need to complete the recipe? Well, I've already used 32. I need a total of 36. How many more? We subtract to do that, right? 36 ounces minus 32 ounces. I should get 4 more ounces. So the chef should need 4 more ounces in order to do that recipe. All right, let's try another one. Problem 2. Kathy mixes bottles of powdered baby formula with water each day. She uses 6 cups of water to fill 4 4-ounce bottles, 3, I'm going to circle these actually, 4 4-ounce bottles, 3 5-ounce bottles, and 2 8-ounce bottles. I'm going to have to draw a picture. This is a lot. How many fluid ounces of water will she remain from the original 6 cups? Goodness, I'm going to have to read that again, and I'm going to have to draw a picture. That was a lot of information. So let's take a look. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so we can see. So it says she uses 6 cups of water. So she has like a pitcher. You draw, you know, like she's ready to go. And this has, my drawing is bad. Okay, this has 6 cups in it. she's going to use this water to fill, it says 4 4-ounce bottles. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, and they all have 4 ounces in them. 4 4-ounce bottles. Okay, what else? Go back to the story. 3 5-ounce bottles, so a little bit bigger. 1, 2, 3. These ones have 5. And go back to the story. And 2 8-ounce bottles. Okay. These have 8 ounces. Whew. Okay, so she's going to take this water, right? Fill up all of these bottles. The question is asking how much water is going to be left in her pitcher after she uses it to fill up all of these bottles. Well, we have to do some problem solving skills here to figure out, okay, how do I even go about solving this problem? Well, we first need to know, we know how much total water we have. We need to figure out how many ounces are required to fill all these bottles. So let's add up all of these numbers. Okay, so I know, let's see if we can do it mentally. 8 and 8 is 16. So I'm going to write this down. Plus 5, 10, 15 for my 5s. 4 times 4 is how much? 16. So right, 4, 4, 4, 4, 16, 15, 16. So I need to add 16 plus 16 plus 15. So let's add those up. This is 31 plus another 16. So this should be a total of 47 ounces. Right, did I add that correctly? 16 and 15 here, I said was 31. Add another 16, 47 ounces. So all of these bottles, we need 47 ounces for it to go. Now we have 6 cups. We need 47 ounces. We have 6 cups. We need to change cups to ounces for us here. So let's go back to our reference sheet. And we're back to actually to cups and ounces. 1 cup is 8 ounces. So 6 cups would be how many ounces? 6 cups, it's 6 times 8. 6 and 8 is 48. So if 1 cup was 8 ounces, then 6 cups is 48 ounces. So instead of saying 6 cups, we're going to say 48. All right, so she has 48 ounces. She fills all of these up, and it's going to take 47 ounces to fill all these up. How much is going to be left in this pitcher after she has filled all of those up? 48 minus 47, how many ounces are going to be left? She should just have 1 ounce left in that pitcher. Do you see how it's already been almost 10 minutes and we've only done 2 problems? These are not problems that you can rush through. You're going to have to stop and really think about them. Do you see how much I had to draw? I had to draw all over my whiteboard. I had to draw on my story. This is not something that we can easily and mentally do in our heads. We are going to expect you to be writing down and showing your work, using your reference page as you try to solve these problems, okay? We're going to look at the other 2 examples in another video.